So I've done more work in the garden. It's looking good. Look how beautiful. Uh-oh. Someone opened the gate to the garden. What is that hole? You know, there's strange things that are always happening in this garden. Even though Joe puts special locks on this thing, something always opens it. I don't know if y'all believe in ghosts or spooky things, but I do. And I know I've heard strange things coming out of those woods back there. So, yeah. So, see, Joe put this lock on it. My fingers let me. Okay. I'm gonna go like that. I'll kind of go like this just to see if it's messed with. And apparently today it was. Or last night. Uh-oh, look who's out. These slugs are out. The humidity and heat brings them out. That means that the plants, you have to watch them closely because the slugs will go after the plants. They do every year. I'm dying to see if the flower thing is going to work here. I hope so. I love them. I put carrots here in these little grow bags. I got my wind chimes things over there. And I planted tomatoes here. I only did 3 tomato plants because every year I do so many and then my family doesn't eat that many and I end up like either giving them away, throwing them out. Hi Nina! But at some point nobody wants tomato plants because they all have their own. The worms out here get them, or yeah, mostly they get composted. So the Cuban plant here looks like it's doing okay. Even though it has a little bite already. Oh, I hate those slugs. They're awful. They like to get my pepper plants too. So we gotta keep a close eye. Nina, what are you doing? See why it's important for that gate to be closed? Because I know Nina will definitely go out there and she'll get lost. Most likely coyotes will get her. So we don't want that to happen. It's early in the morning. Yesterday we spent the day in Indianapolis. Our daughter got her master's in education of different languages. So she's officially done with college. Hi! And she's already working as a teacher, so she really loves it. So it was a nice day yesterday. So I don't have to water the garden today because it rained so much here last night that everything is saturated. So today is Sunday. Today I get any orders ready for worms, which I have some to prepare. And y'all know I have another eBay store where I sell like miscellaneous things. Like I have a pair of shoes to ship and some nail polishes, just different things I sell. So I got to prepare a bunch of orders for that store. Sorry I sniffle so much in the morning or during the day when I'm working out here. I have allergies and then it just kills me. Look how cute the strawberries are. And I'm seeing its first little strawberry. So I'm starting to see some weeds pop up. You know, it's hard to keep up the weeds in a garden. It's just so hard because they just come out of everywhere. But I do the best I can. So today I gotta prepare all those orders and I gotta check on my worms, of course. And Nina, no! And I gotta make sure that they're everything's okay with them. I feed them twice a week. But I do peek on them every day, even if it's just once, because I just like to see how they're doing and what's going on. Look at the chamomile, guys. Look at this perennial chamomile. How beautiful. So it's going to have a lot of flowers. So the more flowers I pick, the more the plant will reproduce. So it's time to come out here and start picking chamomile. And this is how you basically pick chamomile. You just put it between your fingers like this, and you pop, you pull. And that is the classic way to pick chamomile. Chamomile is delicious. I dry it and I make tea out of it because it's just so good. I'm gonna wait for a few more. Come on, Nina, let's go. All right, guys. Wait till you see, by the way, the wormery. I'm waiting for it to be done to give you the final view. It's really, it's really amazing. You guys are gonna like it. So anyway, like and subscribe, and give me that thumbs up, because YouTube knows when people gives me the thumbs up, and it really helps out my channel. And watch some of my other friends, their channels, to help them grow. These worms will be composting and gardening with Barchuck, and we're trying to get them to the 1,000 subscriber and to help them out. Come on. So stay updated, guys, and have a great day, and I will see you next time. Take care.